Lucid Link is a tool that helps teams stay connected in real time, eliminating the need to waste hours downloading and syncing files. It allows teams to collaborate without changing their existing workflow. To get started, simply sign up for a free trial on the Lucid Link website, where you can create a workspace by entering a name and clicking Next. Within this workspace, you'll find file spaces, which are designated areas for storing files related to specific projects. For example, you might create a marketing file space. When creating a file space, you'll be prompted to choose from 3 options: Basic, Advanced, and Custom. The basic plan costs $20 per terabyte of storage per month and includes a range of features. The Advanced plan, at $80 per terabyte per month, offers additional features like SSO integration and custom snapshots. The Custom plan, priced at $40 per terabyte per month, provides a middle ground. Select the plan that best suits your needs, and then give your file space a name. Next, choose a cloud storage region that's close to your team's location, as this can improve accessibility. Review and confirm your settings, and then click Create to set up your file space. This process may take a few minutes to complete. Once it's finished, you can add files to the space and invite team members to join, granting them access to all the files within. The cost will depend on the plan you chose, but Lucid Link makes it easier for teams to collaborate and access files. Overall, Lucid Link streamlines the collaboration process, making it easier for teams to work together in real time.